Hi everyone, I'm Miss Callie from the King Township Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to turn that old book that you're not reading anymore into a work of art. We're going to fold those pages and make it into a heart. Let me show you how. This one requires a lot of patience. Let's get started. Okay, so let's make our heart pattern from a book. So what you're going to want to do is start out with a book that's at least 82 pages that you can fold. Hardcover works best, so I found this little book. I'm going to take the dust jacket off, and you're going to want a pencil and a ruler and the downloadable pattern linked below. I don't have it printed, so I'm just going to do it on the computer. Having it printed might be a little bit easier because then you can mark off where you're at, like you're on fold number 36 or whatever. I'm hoping this won't get too crazy doing it this way. And you're always going to want to measure from the top of the page down. So even for that first mark and second mark, okay? I want to make sure that my heart is pretty well in the middle of my book. So I'm going to calculate kind of the middle. So there's 233 pages, and I need 82 pages to fold for this pattern. So I'm going to do 233 minus 82. So that is 151 pages. And then I'm going to divide that in two, which is roughly 75. So I'm going to start on page 75. Okay, so the other thing you're going to want to make sure you're doing is you are folding this this whole page. So you're only going to pay attention to the odd numbers of the pages. And so what you could also do if you printed out the heart pattern is you could mark down like fold 1 is page 75, fold 2 is 77, fold 3 is 79. You can kind of go that way as well to help you keep track of where you're at. But let's start off with our measuring. This is going to take a while. I hope you guys have some patience. Also, I just want to note that all measurements are in centimeters, so make sure you're using the correct side of the ruler. I'm just going to mark this page with the sticky notes to remember where I started. Okay, so there we go. I've got all of my marks on my paper. Okay, so now we're going to start folding. I'm actually going to turn it this way, and I'm going to fold the page exactly as I have marked them. So here. And we're going to try to keep the folds as close to 90 as possible. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use my ruler and kind of put it right at that mark, and that way I'm keeping it a flat fold. I'm just going to fold it. Make sure you do this for both marks. Again, as close to 90 as possible. This is also where a ruler will come in handy. Let's just keep going. Okay, so there we go. And there's your heart. You can let it kind of sit out as wide or as tight as you want, depending on how you display it. So that's how you can turn an old book, Tales from the Bark Side, into a work of art. I hope you guys have fun. You can check out the link below to find out how to do a hedgehog one that's similar but a little bit easier. And I'd love to see how your hearts turned out, or if you were able to freeform your own design. For more summer activities that you can do, check out kinglibrary.ca/src, and have a great day.